YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok through WhatsApp. If you want to share an incredible TikTok video with your friends directly through WhatsApp, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the TikTok video you want to share through WhatsApp. While the video is playing, tap and hold on the screen to pause it. Step 3. Look for the Share With menu, usually represented by an arrow icon. Tap on it to access the sharing options. Step 4. Tap on WhatsApp from the Sharing Options menu. This will open the WhatsApp app on your device. Next, select the receiver from your WhatsApp contacts or search for them by name. Once you've chosen the recipient, tap on the arrow button to send the TikTok video directly to them. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a TikTok video through WhatsApp and share the excitement with your friends in a fast and convenient way. WhatsApp provides a seamless experience for sharing TikTok videos and engaging in conversations with your friends. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing your favorite TikTok videos through WhatsApp.